This is the empirical formula of copper compounds. Hi everybody, I'm starting here with experiment number 1. I've got the clean crucible in my late night lab, and I want a balance, so I'll get that balance down here. I want a Bunsen burner, get that down here. I'm going to weigh the crucible, and it's 88.000 grams. So, empty crucible, 88.000 grams. Okay, now, folks, let me just repeat. It's important to get all these digits, even though they are 0. And the reason for that is, in chemistry, 88 grams means something much different than 88.000 grams. Alright, back to the procedures. Okay, I want to add 10 grams of this junk. Which junk do they want? Copper? Okay. Oh, sorry. Add 10 grams of copper to my crucible there. 10 grams. Now, folks, I gotta say this again. It does make a difference whether you write 10 or 10.000. However, this particular software, Late Night Labs, does not know the difference. It's just when you do the calculations, you need to know the difference. So here I can just type 10 because the software doesn't have any respect for significant figures. But you know, actually, I'm not going to do this with 10 because you will do this with 10, won't you? I'll do this with some other amount. I'll do this with 10 plus 15.222. Alright, that's 25.222. So, mass of copper initially, mass of copper, that was 25.222. You will do this with 10. Actually, you don't even need to do this with 10. You could do it with whatever amount you want, as long as it fits in the crucible. But I'll do this with 25.222. Move the crucible on the balance and record a combined mass. Okay, so the combined mass should be 88 plus 25.222. And it is 113.222, so that's good. I don't have to record that. Move the crucible onto the Bunsen burner. Double click the crucible to obtain its properties. Okay, so move it onto the Bunsen burner. Wow, that's like magic there. And double click to show the properties. Show content. Okay. Oh, that's really cool. I could see what's in there. But I don't think that's what they wanted. Double click. Show contents. Okay, I guess that is what they wanted. Turn this on. Set the flame to low. Okay, that's a low flame. Start the timer. Clicking on that clock icon lower left. Okay, so here's the clock icon. Start that timer. Here we go. Copper is reacting with the oxygen in the air. I'll see the contents of the crucible change color, signifying that the reaction is complete. I'll watch for, let's see, an additional minute to verify that no further reactions occur. Okay, I can zoom this up to look at the color of the copper. This is actually pretty gosh darn cool. Can I move this timer? Oh yeah, I can move it wherever I want. Isn't that nice? Waiting for this to change color. Ooh, made copper oxide right there. I'll wait for another minute or so. Yeah, there are several late night labs, and I picked 5 or 4 or 5, something like that, for you for this course, and I picked them by just trying them out briefly. Some of the late night labs were quite low quality. This one seems to be pretty cool in that it requires a lot of thinking, and there's a lot of chemistry to be learned by doing this particular late night lab. I guess I have about 20 more seconds to get a full minute after the color change. I hope you all are enjoying these. I would love to get your feedback on how enjoyable or how useful these are for your learning compared to watching a video or reading something on a web page. Let me turn this off. Can I turn it off? Oh. Oh, there it is. So I will move this to the bench to cool it off. Oh look, it opens the Crucible just a crack for me automatically. So let's see. I'm going to weigh the Crucible when it's cool. Oh, yeah, I don't need this timer anymore. So I'll just assume that it's cool. Weigh that Crucible. Okay. Record the total mass. Total mass copper oxide plus Crucible 119.572. Now, again, folks, this is not 119 or not 120. It's not 119.6, not 119.57. It's got to be 119.572. Thanks. Of course, your numbers will be different because you will use 10 grams or some other amount. It's probably best if you all use different amounts, just some random amount that you come up with, but if you all use 10 grams, that's okay too. So now using that information, let me go on complete experiment 2, the calculations, and I will make a new video for this.